Welcome back to WatchMojo.com, where today we'll be counting down the top 10 kitchen materials you need to have. Number 10 would be a fine mesh sieve. You can find these all around Amazon and wherever you buy kitchen materials. They cost around 20 bucks and they're good for sieving. Number 9 is a peeler of sorts. You can use this for peeling potatoes, apples, or any type of thing that you need to peel. You can find them on the internet and they cost around $5. Number 8 is dry and liquid measuring cups. Doesn't that look good? You can use these to measure dry and liquid stuff. They are kind of expensive, around $20 for a set. Next up we have measuring spoons. You could do exactly what you can do with measuring cups, but in spoon form with these. You can buy a cheap set for around $10, and you can measure liquid and solids with them. Next up, we've got baking sheets. You can make cookies and all sorts of mess on this, and it won't set you back that much. You can get a cheap one for around $5, and you can bake whatever you want on it. Moving right along, we got big spoon. You need big spoons to stir big stuff, and they're really cheap. You could get a couple sets for, around 20 bucks. And you could stir whatever you want, or just lift it into your mouth. Do you want to hold exactly 8 quarts of liquid? Well, coming in at number 4, we have an
perfect 8-quart vertical design, so it takes up a little less space on the stove. Not only solid stainless steel, so you don't have to worry.
Only around $30 out of your pocket, just for spaghetti. Oh my gosh, I love cutting boards. And perfect, they're at number 3. You could either make a cutting board like a smart person, or you could buy one for 10 bucks. And they're perfect for cutting stuff. Golly, speaking of cutting stuff, number 2 is a knife. Knives are great for cutting oranges or apples. And you could also, accidentally cut yourself. And they're only like $3. Perfect. You know what rhymes with bacon? Frying pan. Which is perfect because that's number 1. You can fry all types of stuff for cheap, around 10 bucks for a frying pan at a dollar store. They are just so good for burning anything that I touch. Do you agree with our list? Let us know at WatchMojo.com.